Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive using Android device. So let's begin by opening WhatsApp application, and you want to open settings. Now let's go to section chats, and here in the section archive chats, you want to tap on chat backup. So now where you see Google account, you need to select your Google account that you want to use, but if it's not listed, then tap add account and log in. Then by using automatic backups, you can set up your backup schedule, and here you can choose how often you want this to happen automatically, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. And then below you can see include videos. You can turn this on if you want to save video clips, but please keep in mind that this will significantly increase the backup size, which is logical. And then backup using cellular. This is if you want your backups to run while you're connected to cellular data. But of course, if you don't want to use that, if you don't want to use your mobile data in order to save it, then keep this off, and then you will only run backups while you're connected to Wi-Fi network. And after this, finally, let's perform a chat backup using this green backup button at the top. Let's press it, and basically backup is done. But please notice that if your Google Drive is full, then your automated backups will pause until you clear some space. So additionally, you can see here information about your Google storage. So yeah, that is basically it. You will not lose your messages after you backup, also your photos, videos, basically any data that is stored inside WhatsApp application. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next video.